Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to our channel. My name is Reza Rahman, and in this video, we are going to talk about prayer reading. If you don't know what it is, then let me help you to get to know about this topic right now. First question for you guys, what do we have to know? So, prayer reading activities cover a range of possibilities, all directed at helping learners engage in the process of discovery and to feel authorized to engage with the form and content of the text. What all successful prayer reading activities have in common is that they are student-centered. The instructor has to identify the potential problems of readability inherent in a chosen reading text, and then has to help students find ways to surmount those difficulties, rather than just provide answers or summarize the content. The instructor can help learners identify the sources of their reading difficulties. There are two prayer reading activities that are very commonly used. First is brainstorming. Students pool what they know about the topic of a text and share their knowledge in the native or target language. The goal is to activate the learner's horizon of the expectation and help learners identify what the text is about. Prayer reading exercises can take different forms, but ideally, they are learner-centered rather than teacher-centered. For example, if the text is a film review and only one student has seen the film, that student can tell the others about the plot or other notable features of the film. Second is scheming. In class, allot a short period of time, like let's say 2 minutes or so, for the learners to skim the first paragraph or page of the text. Look at the illustration and subtitles and identify the words in the text that explain the who, what, where, and when of the text content. To identify core vocabulary, words that will help them work through uncertainties. Overall, prayer reading helps students to activate their horizon of expectation, like background knowledge, syntactic and semantic resources, and of course cognitive strategies. And also it helps students to take charge of their own learning and to becoming willing to tolerate ambiguity. Prayer reading goal is to establish purpose for reading, to activate and build background knowledge and address unfamiliar vocabulary words or the concepts. Okay guys, let's move on to the prayer reading strategies. Prayer reading strategies allow students to think about what they already know about a given topic and predict what they will read or hear. Before students read any text, teachers can direct their attention to how a text is organized, teach unfamiliar vocabulary or other concepts, search for the main idea, and provide students with a purpose for reading or listening. Most importantly, teachers can use prayer reading strategies to increase students' interest in a text. And I will give you guys some tips. Here are some tips on how to do prayer reading. Prayer reading starts with a survey of the reading assignment. And here are 5 ways to survey reading ahead of time. First, read the titles and subtitles of the chapter or reading. Tips number 2, look closely at the pictures, graphs, and captions in the assigned reading. Tips number 3, note the bold and italics words. Tips number 4, note words that are repeated often. Tips number 5, with the first and last sentence of each paragraph. If you guys do this, you all can make a list of questions that might be asked about the assigned reading, and also you can make predictions about what you think the reading is about, and you can write a few summary statements, and last, you can create an outline or mind map that can be filled in as you read. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching me. I hope you guys understand. See you in the next time. Bye.